Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your savings plan with Capital One detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your savings plan with Capital One, visit the Capital One website. Log into your account using your username and password. If you don't have an account, click sign up to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the savings section. Select the savings account you want to back up. Review your current savings plan details, including your balance and interest rate. Click on the Manage or Settings option for your savings account. Look for features like alerts or notifications. Enable alerts to stay informed about your account activity. Consider linking another external account for easier transfers. To do this, go to the Transfer section. Select Link External Account and follow the prompts. Enter the required information for your external bank account. Confirm the linked account through the verification process. Next, explore additional savings options offered by Capital One. Consider setting up automatic transfers to your savings account. Navigate to the Automatic Transfers section. Choose the amount and frequency of these transfers. Save your changes to ensure they take effect. Review your savings goals and adjust as needed. Check the Goals feature to set specific targets. Update your goals regularly based on your progress. Finally, remember to periodically review your savings plan. Access your account statements to track your savings growth. This will help you stay on track with your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.